Frontline Cleaning has technology and expertise to fight the good fight and help prevent the spread of infectious diseases. Our electrostatic disinfection service is like traditional fogging but works much better. The positively charged molecules are attracted to nearly everything it is aimed at, which results in an excellent coverage. Our technology has been tested and proven to kill coronavirus safely and effectively within 10 minutes, along with many other viral pathogens, some including avian influenza, HIV, and SARS. We understand that time is money. After only 30 minutes of using our technology, you can walk back into your building, saving you time, money, and lives.